Follow this tutorial to learn how to make this versatile 8-segment graphic. Start off by going to the Insert tab. Then click on Icon. Type the word Gear into the search bar and select the filled-in icon. Do a right-click on the icon, and in the appearing drop-down, select the option Convert to Shape. Now that you have your shape, resize it to 14 centimeters for both width and height. Then select a fill color to your liking. Next, go back to the Home tab. Insert a rectangle shape on the side of the slide. Resize the rectangle to 14 centimeters for height and 0.5 centimeters for width. Make sure to remove the outline of the shape. Then place the rectangle at the center of your circle shape and duplicate the rectangle 3 more times. Select all the shapes on your slide and using the Arrange drop-down, align them at the center. In a next step, click on the upper rectangle and go to the Shape Format tab. In the right side of the toolbar, click on Rotate and select More Rotation Options. In the field for rotation, now type in 22 degrees. Then move on to the second rectangle. This time type in a rotation of 67 degrees. Repeat this with a rotation of 112 degrees for the third rectangle, and with a rotation of 158 degrees for the fourth rectangle. Once done, select all 5 shapes. Go to Shape Format, and in the left side of the toolbar, click on Merge Shapes. In the drop-down, select Fragment. Now delete all the remnants of the rectangles as well as the center pieces. For the accumulation of small pieces, simply drag your mouse to select and delete them all at once. Select all the pieces of the final shape, and under Arrange, group them all. Your base shape is now complete, and you can move on to the design. Even though they are grouped, you can still select all of the pieces individually and select the colors to your liking or based on brand colors. Depending on your needs, you can now include icons or numbering into the graphic. To insert icons, go to the Insert tab and click on Icon. Use the search bar to find a fitting icon. Once inserted, you can use the options in the Graphics Format tab to adjust the fill color of your icon as well as the size. If you would like to place multiple icons in or around the shape, use the red guiding lines to make sure everything is evenly spaced. If you want to ensure even more accuracy, you can use the Align drop-down. For a full tutorial on centering, aligning, and distributing shapes, check out our PowerPoint Basics series. The fitting video is linked below. You can also use the Insert Icon option to add numberings to your graphic. Just follow the steps as shown on screen. Again, use the Graphics Format tab to resize and reshape the numbers to your needs. If you want to give the same size or color to all of them, make sure you have all concerned shapes selected when making the changes. This way you avoid repetitive work. And there you have it, a unique 8-segment shape with many options for design and individualization. For more quick and easy tutorials like this, give us a follow, and we will be happy to make your life easier a couple of minutes at a time.